While the sash is fully supported, use a flat-bladed screwdriver to unclick the friction arm first to one side, followed by the opposite side. Fit a VELFAC sash derailleur on the guide rails on both sides of the sash. Support the sash and move it upwards. The movement will derail the sash. The sash is now detached. If sash derailleurs are not available, the following steps can be taken. At the sash top brackets, in both sides, press aside the spring lock, while lifting the sash up and out of the guide rail. Click the sash in position in the top brackets. Then click the friction arms into the sash brackets.